Hi, I'm Marshall Kirkpatrick, and I am really excited to show you what's up with that. It is a browser extension that will help you upgrade your thinking to read and write more like an expert. Let me show you how it works. Let's say you are reading a page on the internet, or maybe you're writing a Google Doc or an email or a LinkedIn post. Maybe you're reading a PDF. But in this case, let's say we're reading this article about a giant marine protected area the size of France. Well, you might say, what's up with that? And when you click and run the browser extension, what What's Up With That does is a whole lot of research in a hurry to put this specific document in context. We are going to not just summarize the article, we're going to determine what it's really about. Here in this case, we've detected this is an article about marine protected areas. We could zoom up or down and see it in different contexts. But in addition to a summary, one of the key things that we do here is determine what stands out in this article relative to its field. This is what's really new here, if anything. This is what's really moving the needle. You can fact check it. You can explore consequences. You can get a ladder explanation and much more. Now, in addition to quickly contextualizing the key points of this article, we're going to do things like recommend an analytical tool. In this case, what was recommended was the predecessors tool, where what's up with that? We'll find the intellectual predecessors behind the ideas discussed in this document. That is one of dozens of tools that you can use to analyze anything you're reading or writing. There are so many tools that we've got an investigate for me button that will build a personalized research plan for you, choosing between the dozens of different tools that are available in support of your specific priorities and interests in your point of view. And here is the sequence of steps that we recommend you take. Just click Run, and we'll run them all for you automatically, concluding with a distillation process, sharing just the 3 details most important across the research. Here, for example, is a strategic playbook of strategies and principles that could be extracted from this story, this article, and applied in other contexts. And you can get a recommendation of what to read next if you want to learn more about this topic. You can ask questions. You can save the article and all of its analysis to a project. And then you can come into your projects and get a synthesis of the themes in all of the articles that you have saved in that particular collection. Believe it or not, there's even more that you can do, but that's a pretty good start at a look at what's up with that and the various ways that it helps you upgrade your thinking to read and write more like an expert.